This is a simple DIY fix for water leak in Samsung fridge and can save hundreds of dollars. Stop if your kid's around home. It's my Samsung fridge, bought just 3 years ago, and already have water leakage. Unscrew these 3 screws. Pull out the cover carefully and watch out for wiring. It can look like this with ice. Use hair dryer to melt all ice and dry the panel. Notice there is a water drainage behind panel. It might be clogged due to ice as well. Pour some hot water carefully so that ice melts all the way down. You can buy this from Amazon and can be used as heat reinforcement to avoid further ice formation. Insert it and clip it easy. It will help get more heat, preventing from ice formation and drain water. Dry all parts again before putting back. Leave fridge unplugged for couple of days. Good luck, and thank you.